I am Reena Agarwal. I am an artist by profession. I paint differently with nib and knife on velvet. Everybody wants a different kind of art piece in their home. So here I just put the correct spaces and put the color in the walls, and everybody likes to have my artwork on their walls. I keep getting good orders from everywhere. Now, the best inspiration in my life is my life partner. He's always put me into painting rather than just looking after the house and just cooking. But how this journey became beautiful was because of my life partner. Today I'm standing here straight and with a little more confidence as an entrepreneur, taking art as a business, and I'm selling my art quite well. Apart from this, I'm also giving my art workshops all over India and is planning globally as well. People really enjoy art with me, and they find it as a therapy. Like for once, the doctors came to me and they came very sad, but after finishing an art piece with me, they were very happy. So I spread happiness like this. From Womennovator, I really got benefited a lot, and Triptiji has been such a good mentor for me. She has been guiding me everywhere, and now I'm more confident in how I have to go further in a better way. My one message to all women around, that never lose hope, never give up, keep doing and keep going in your direction. What you think is right is the best for you. Thank you.
Wow, wonderful.